Are we gonna open all of them?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. We got our friends watching over here. We got a dinosaur, Minnie Mouse, Peach, Hello Kitty, Luigi, and Lammy.
Oh, cute.
Cute.
I like her.
Yeah. Okay, let's open an egg. Okay, let's start with this one. What color?
Purple.
Purple egg.
I'll open it.
Open. Wow, it's a ring. That's pretty. Color's this one?
Pink. I feel excited.
You're so excited?
I'm gonna touch it, okay?
It's a unicorn. Cute. What color's that one?
Pink.
Pink.
I'll open it. I'm gonna touch it.
Can you get it? Crack it.
Ducky.
It's empty.
Yeah, touch it.
Wow, what is that one? That's a football.
Football. Open. Ducky.
Empty.
A duck. Right here.
Okay, what color's that one? Blue.
Look, Vicky. Ducky.
Ducky, what color's the duck?
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, show everyone the duck.
You
Cute.
like it? That's duck. Wow.
Color's that one?
Purple.
Egg.
I'm gonna touch it.
Okay, let's crack it. You got it.
Wow.
Wow. These are pretty. What are they?
Block.
Rocks. Let's see them up close. Wow.
That's fun. Right here. Wow.
Whoa.
Let's see. Something here.
What is it? It's a bag.
Oh, she has.
What's on it? Barbie and her friends.
It's so
What color egg is that?
we.
Green.
That's way true.
Yeah, there's another green one in there.
Let's touch it.
Okay, let's crack it.
Wow.
That is Bruno from Doc McStuffins.
Not the doctor. It's the name.
Bruno.
Bottle. Okay. Yeah. It's blue.
Yeah, it is blue. Okay.
It's not. Let's see what's that.
How exciting!
Oh.
Whoa, what is that?
Easter bunny.
Easter bunny. What color?
Green.
Green.
I thought you bunny.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Ha. I hate it.
You hear it?
Yeah.
Color's that egg?
Blue. It's blue.
That's a cowboy.
Cowboy. I thought you bunny.
Cute.
It's the boy.
It's a boy?
Yeah. I hear it. I hear
You
it.
hear it?
Yeah.
Which one is that? Let's see it.
Make a man.
It's a monkey.
I'm gonna touch it. That's nice. So excited. Oh. It's a dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Here. God, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a finger.
For your finger?
Yeah. Here, hamburger. That's here. Wow. A dinosaur teeth. A dinosaur. A dinosaur. A dinosaur, Mama.
It is a dinosaur.
It's red.
It is red. You hear it?
I'm gonna touch it. Open. Wow. Wow. What do you make? What's in it?
It's a necklace?
Yeah.
That's pretty.
You have pink open. You have purple. You have purple.
Yeah, it has purple.
Yeah. That's the key. No. It's here. It's here.
I don't know. You're going to have to crack it open.
Wow, more. It's purple. It's purple.
It's purple.
That's a ball. It's put it back. It's put it back.
Okay, let's start counting the eggs.
1.
Wait, what color is number 1?
Flooded.
What color?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color?
Pink.
Pink. So that's 2.
That's you.
What color is that one?
Yellow.
Yellow. What
Wow.
number? 3.
Yeah. And yellow.
What color?
Pink.
Pink.
I said it.
Ah, okay, now what number? 4.
4. That's just
What color?
3.
Green.
I can.
Okay, what number? 5.
5.
Okay, grab another one. That's a football.
Football.
That one is number
6.
6. That one is
Blue.
blue. And that one's going to be number 7.
7. Oh, there's football there. Right there.
Wow, that one's blue. It's camo. Look at
10.
that one. And that one is going to be number 8.
Right there.
Color's that one?
Green.
Green.
That's
That one's just like this one, but lighter. And that one's going to be number 9.
9 right there.
Number 9.
9.
What color is that one?
Purple.
Purple. And that one is going to be number 10.
10. That's 10 to 10 too.
Yeah. Color?
Green.
Green. And that one is going to be number 11.
What is here?
What color is that one?
Purple.
Purple.
That's purple too.
Yeah, there's 2 purples. And that one is going to be number 12.
Close. Say.
That one is a monkey.
Right here.
And that one is going to be number 13.
Right here. Right there.
Monkey.
Right here.
Color is that one?
Green. That's
Green.
That's green too.
It's just like that one. And that one is going to be number 14.
14.
And here are all the eggs. So there was 14 eggs.
Here.
So let's take the duck and count that we got 14 eggs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Yay!
That's right here.
What do you have, Rye?
Dinosaur.
You got a dinosaur. Who do I have?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
Star.
No!
I see the height. Yeah. Star.
got Luigi that's going to save the day. Let's go in our hiding spot.
Yeah,
Ha, you can't get us.
Yeah, you are. Open. Start. Here, let me open.
Oh no, Hello Kitty's stuck. Minnie, can you help me? Come save me.
Yeah. Go. Stop.
Yay, thank you, Minnie.